Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on User Manager. Last time we deactivated inactive users by hand to free up licenses. Doing that once feels great, but doing it every week by hand gets old fast. So today, we make it automatic. This is automated tasks. Here's what an automated task does. It's a saved rule, a filter plus an action, that User Manager runs for you on a schedule. You define it once. Find the users inactive beyond your window and remove their product access. From then on, the app does it on repeat, reclaiming newly idle licenses without you lifting a finger. Let's make it concrete. An admin sets up one task to run every week. Each Monday morning, User Manager checks who's crossed the inactivity line, removes their access, and frees those seats, all before the first coffee. And because your approved domain settings still re-grant product access to returning users, anyone who comes back simply logs in and their access returns. A quick note on the name. Automated tasks is exactly that. The same filtering and actions you already know, handed to a schedule instead of a button. The SMART pattern is a two-step cycle. One task deactivates the inactive users, and a follow-up task cleans up anyone who came back, so your groups stay tidy. Let's set one up. Part 1. Define what runs. Go to the Automated Task tab and click Create Task. Give it a name, then select a filter. For example, users inactive beyond your window. Then under Choose Actions, pick Remove App Access and select the products it applies to. Part 2. Decide when it runs. Under Schedule, choose how often. Manually, weekly, or a custom interval. Pick interval, set run. Every, say 1 week, in a quiet time of day. User Manager shows you the next runs, so there are no surprises. Flip schedule. Active on, hit apply, and your cleanup is on autopilot. And that's automated tasks. To recap, define a filter and an action once, put it on a schedule, and User Manager keeps your licenses optimized automatically, while Atlassian regrants product access to returning users through your approved domain settings when they log in. Next up, we'll handle offboarding someone who's leaving the company for good. Thanks for watching.